Today we're going to look at fractions on number lines. We know this is a fraction number line because it begins with a 0 and ends with a 1. Therefore, we know this is a fraction number line. The way we're going to get our fraction is first, we're going to count to each point. After we count to each point, we'll know the numerator. Secondly, we're going to count from 0 to 1 so that we will know our denominator. So this is how it goes. Point A is 1 mark past my 0, but there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts in this line, so my fraction for A is 1/5. My fraction for point B. Point B is 1, 2 marks over, but there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 marks in all, so my fraction for B is 2/5. Point C is a little bit further in our number line, so we're going to count over to point C. 1, 2, 3, 4. My numerator is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 parts in all. So my fraction for C is 4/5. Let's try that again. Scooting on down to another number line. We know this is a fraction number line because it begins with 0 and it ends with 1. Our job is to find each of the fractions for D, E, and F. So I count to the point. I start on my 0, I count to my point, 1. So my numerator for D is 1. Then I have to count all the way to the 1 for my denominator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So D is at 1/9 on my number line. Point E. 1, 2, 3, 4. My numerator is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So for all of these fractions for this particular number line, my denominator is going to be a 9. My fraction for E is 4/9. And our last fraction. Pause the video to see if you can come up with the fraction for fraction F. The way you do fraction F is we're going to count all the way over to that F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My numerator is 7. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 points on this line, so my denominator is a 9. Our fraction for F is 7/9.